COLO GCS. Hey gamers and movie watchers, we've got something that'll up your audio experience. This is the COLO GCS, the world's first 7.1.2 channel speakers that are built for PCs. They have an all-in-one design and feature true overhead channels, and it also works with consoles. It's set up for gaming chairs and has high-res audio with 11 speakers inbuilt. It provides a 360-degree sound field. You can hear enemy footsteps behind you. There's 10 independent channels, and you get really deep bass, and it only takes about 5 minutes to install and saves over 30 meters squared of space. LLANO VoltCase. Camera operators and shooters, I need your attention over here. This is an all-in-one 10,400 mAh power bank that has a 20-watt fast battery charger and an SD 4.0 card reader tucked into a storage case that you can use to ensure your bricks are hot throughout your shoot. It includes an LED display that lets you know how much power it's distributing, and it gives you all-round protection, ensuring your cards and batteries are secured even with the butteriest of fingers. Shooting in the freeze doesn't affect the performance. You can charge even in -4 degrees all the way up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. MagMirror. We know the front camera on your phone is nowhere near as good as the back camera. Science proves that, and that's a fact. But what you can do now is harness the back camera for vlogging the way it should be. Yes, you can do that with a MagMirror. This transforms your smartphone into a vlogging studio that gives you real-time monitoring on the back of your phone and LED lighting. There's no need for extra gear, and it has its own 4-hour battery to keep your phone going on that adventure that you just have to vlog about. The LED light goes from white, bright, warm to party. You're ready all the time. Govee Strip Light 2 Pro. Govee lighting is back to transform your space into the ultimate hangout. This will change your TV watching experience and transform it into a full-fledged cinema experience. Govee strip lights connect to all the Govee products via DreamView, which lets you sync your whole home, and the Govee strip lights have over 100 presets ready to go and out of the box, and they're completely customizable and cuttable. Every meter has 10 segments, and you can hit from 2,700 to 6,500 Kelvin. It has real white lights. The lamp beads are designed for exquisite color blending, and they have a 16-bit color precision chip for accurate performance. It can be controlled from your smart home devices, and they can really transform any space. Level Lock Plus. Lock your house with your phone, and no need for difficult installs with your new best safety friend, the Level Lock Plus, a smart lock for Apple Home keys, and it works with Apple HomeKit, iOS, and Android devices. You can easily integrate the Lock Plus into your existing hardware with no signs of tech inside or outside. You can open it just by tapping with your Apple Wallet, and with Bluetooth, you can use it with Siri. It uses a CR2 battery, making it simple to switch in and out when needed. Everything is included in the box, and you can digitally share keys as needed. ROKR Marble Run Model Building Kit. Channeling all those with inner Rube Goldberg syndrome that just want to build wacky, kooky machines, well, check this out. This is the ROKR Marble Run Model Building Kit. This is a cyberpunk-inspired model that even has a USB-C port to let you design it with electric motors, and it doubles as an awesomely fun lighting display. It doesn't need a phone, so you can build while reducing screen time. You can build it in about 4 hours, and it doubles as a really sweet home decor. DECOKEE. Expand your hard drive and improve PC improvement without the need to open up and perform surgery on your desktop. You can do it with the DECOKEE hard drive enclosure that's magnetic and gives you the ability to add your favorite M.2 NVMe SSD up to 2 terabytes. You get blazing fast 10 gigabytes per second transfer speed, and it makes everything portable and compact. You don't need any tools to insert your SSD and swap it in. You can use it with laptops, tablets, phones, and any other periphery that has a USB-C input. DECOKEE also has a hot plug protection, ensuring that you can quickly swap the drive in and out without risking data corruption. HubPack X. Don't worry about creeps trying to steal your bag with the latest in anti-theft cut-resistant travel bags from HubPack, and we're showcasing the HubPack X. This is a well-designed bag that has ample room for all your stuff. The HubPack X has an outstanding security system that even has a built-in charging station. You can wear it as a backpack or carry it like luggage. The TSA lock ensures no buster can open your bag except you, and it comes well equipped with quick access pockets and main storage compartments. HubPack X has two different compartments, one for living storage and the other for electronic storage. It expands to over 3.7 liters, and it's made of waterproof fabric. Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle. A wireless drawing tablet with medium quick keys that's a heck of a pen tablet, and it's made available from Xencelabs. This bundle comes with two battery-free pens and a 12-inch graphics tablet, and it works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. The pens have 3 programmable buttons and an eraser built in so you can customize the pen to suit your needs. It also has 40 programmable functions, and it has an OLED display that shows you the assignment of each key at a glance. Installation is simple and easy, and it has a curved, gentle slope that removes tension and provides a natural drawing experience. Cololight MIX ACID. You've seen those DIY lighting systems that cost a pretty penny and constantly need more and more add-ons to make them pop. Yep, you know them. Well, stepping up to the LED lighting game is our friends at Cololight. These are the MIX ACID lights that provide you with a ton of different colors, and they won't break the bank at all. You can create ambient lighting, gaming lights, and they're all smart home controlled. You get true creative freedom where you can control every single bead of light with over 16 million RGB color combinations. You really can hone in on what you want. You can control each smart light individually or together depending on how you want to set it up, and it also syncs with your music to give you the right mood. WaterH Boost Smart Water Bottle. It's hard to stay hydrated with so many things to do. I mean, you work, you want to play, you're busy doing you. Well, Boost has just released their WaterH Smart Water Bottle, which uses your favorite device, yes, your phone, to remind you to drink water. The bottle itself is a double-wall vacuum-insulated bottle with a stainless steel wide mouth, and it can hold a massive 32 ounces of your favorite liquid. Every sip you take from the Boost WaterH bottle earns points which you can redeem for discounted merchandise, and the light ring on the lid gives you a constant visual reminder of how you've been hydrating during the day. VLTROX 12-watt RGB camera light. For all those who want to conduct photo shoots but need true RGB light to set up their subject's potential, well then I guess this is right in your valley. The VLTROX 12-watt RGB camera light is a portable mini camera light that provides over 2,500 to 8,500 Kelvin lighting, and it's super portable. It has a 22-watt-hour battery and lasts a tremendous 2 hours of non-stop lighting, and it's small enough to fit in the pocket. You can also continuously use it with its USB-C input, and if you find you've got more battery left over after your shoot, well, guess what? It doubles as a power bank. If you're into textured portraits, then you're in luck because the silicone diffuser does just that, giving you depth and character.
Insta360 Antigravity A1. This isn't science fiction. It's the Antigravity A1, the first ever drone with native 8K 360-degree capture built right in. No mounts, no add-ons. Just 2 ultra-sharp lenses, one on top, one on the bottom, capturing your entire environment. And thanks to real-time stitching, the drone itself vanishes from the shot. It's like the camera's floating mid-air. No limits, no framing stress. Weighing just 249 grams, it's compact, legal to fly in most countries without a license, and designed to go where bigger drones can't. It supports up to 2 hours of flight time, depending on use, and includes smart safety features like auto return and payload detection. But here's what makes it truly futuristic. You don't control it with sticks. Instead, you use the grip controller. Just point and fly. Pair it with the Vision FPV goggles and look around freely while flying. The drone goes one way, your head explores another. This is free motion flight, and it feels like magic. After you land, use Insta360's app to reframe and edit your shots in post with full control. Flying cameras just leveled up. The Antigravity A1 isn't a drone, it's a vision machine.
ZHIYUN Smooth 5S AI. Who doesn't love a good gimbal stabilizer? You want a stable gimbal that gives you fluid motion when filming, and there's no better gimbal for your phone than one that has AI built in, and that's just what the ZHIYUN Smooth 5S AI does. It has a stabilizer that's perfect for any smartphone. It's got a built-in fill light that's magnetic, and it's got an amazing 360-degree rotation. It keeps you in the shot, and it can follow you and pan, as well as switching it out to a point of view mode. You can customize the lighting to make sure your shots are lit perfectly, and you can quickly pan through settings with a single hand while you film. HOTO Electric Spin Scrubber. Yes, you can now clean all your bathroom wet spots from showers to bathtubs with the help of everyone's favorite energy, electricity. This is a full-body waterproof cleaning tool with a long handle and provides over 6 different shower heads. What you really get is a powerful 300 RPM, 2.5 Newton-meter torque best of a cleaning brush that gives you great speed without damaging bathroom surfaces. It's waterproof with IPX7 standards, and it can be immersed in sinks, and a single charge gives you 110 minutes of continuous use. Insta360 Ace Pro and Ace. Kick your old portable camera to the curb. We've got a camera that leaves them all out. It's the Insta360 Ace Pro, a waterproof action camera that co-engineers with Leica. It has a 1/1.3-inch sensor, and it uses AI to reduce noise, giving you an amazing, unbeatable image. The Insta360 Ace Pro records in 4K 120 frames per second and comes with a 2.4-inch flip screen, and it's powered by a 5nm AI chip, giving you low-light performance that beats other cameras. The flip touchscreen lets you monitor the action while in the hardest conditions, and you can flick between slow motion and active HDR, giving you crisp images. MUZEN Wild Go. A very small Bluetooth speaker, that's what this is. The MUZEN Wild Go, a portable Bluetooth speaker that's IPX5 waterproof and so loud, but yet so small. We're talking about 8 hours of battery life on a single charge and a powerful but tiny 36mm speaker for extra crisp audio. You can put it on a lanyard, it's that small, and you have great feeling knobs to control and switch tracks. Designed with an anti-slip rubber coating that makes the MUZEN Wild Go both drop resistant and non-slip. Roam. We've got smart tags, and these ones aren't separated into iOS and Android camps. No, these are cross-functional devices that let you track everything from keys to wallets, cars, and bags, and the batteries are totally replaceable, so they can be used in travel luggage. This is Roam, and it comes in a variety of colors, and they're really small. You can customize it to send you left-behind notifications, and you can find it with the loud sound it emits if you ever need it. It comes with a premium function as well and needs no extra accessories to use, one cord, and you're ready to go. This gives you a precise 3-meter squared tracking, so you really know where the tag is. Govee RGBIC Smart Table Lamp 2. We've featured Govee items before, but never in the form of a table lamp. That's because this is brand new off the press. This is the Govee RGBIC Smart Table Lamp 2, which works with Matter, Alexa, and has 64 different scene modes. It's corded, dimmable, and perfect for night lights. It's a touch lamp, so you can just pat it to wake it up, and the same to turn it off. It works with the Govee app, so you can sync it to music and put in any sort of theme you want. Works with Google Home and HomeKit, and its unique translucent design will keep your eye fixed on it. OLIGHT Oclip Pro. Tiny but mighty is this clip-on light that gives you a floodlight with 500 lumens or a 120-meter range spotlight, and it even comes with a red light suiting everyone's needs. It weighs less than 53 grams, and it's an everyday carry as it's only 2¼ inches tall. You can attach the OLIGHT Oclip Pro to any magnetic base, or use the built-in clip on your lanyard, or simply hang it. It's long-lasting, having been tested with over 1,000 open and closed trials. Oh no, you dropped it in a puddle? No big deal. It's IPX6 waterproof, and it charges easily with USB-C. Eilik. You've got a new best friend that sits right on your desktop. Introducing Eilik, and it's a perfect robot toy that has an abundance of emotions and animations, and you can even play games with it. You can touch Eiliks on the head, belly, and back, and it responds with the emotion based on how it's feeling. Eilik doesn't just play with you. If you introduce other Eiliks, it will start a party and play with its counterpart. However, if Eilik is in a bad mood, it may fight with its friends, keeping the drama alive. Eilik constantly is evolving and upgrading with its firmware updates, and new content is added frequently. AC05 Wireless Shortcut Remote. Hey creators, we know you're busy and you have a ton of things you need to do, and getting bogged down with a full-size keyboard and jab at buttons for just a few shortcut keys is getting in your way. So let's fix that with the ACO 5 wireless shortcut remote. This works for both left-handed and right-handed folks, and it supports 10 shortcut buttons and has a dial switch and supports Bluetooth, and it's with a wired connection as well, in case. And it has a long battery life of up to 300 hours. It even has a scissor switch and can handle up to 40 shortcuts, and it's designed to be held and used by a single hand, keeping the other free to create. Essential 2nd Gen. Arlo are putting out their latest 2nd generation 2K outdoor security camera that gives you 130 degrees of view and two-way audio. The good news is that this is battery operated, no hard wiring necessary. Did I mention the color night vision and the included security plans? And there's even an integrated spotlight that helps illuminate any night movement, ensuring that you're capturing all the necessary details? Don't worry about the elements. This is designed to withstand rain and snow, and the battery is designed to last months, and if there is anything triggering, the siren can be operated to ward off bad guys. EZARC electric screwdriver set. An electric screwdriver, now I've seen it all, but this isn't your bulk cordless drill. This is a 181-piece 3-torque setting screwdriver that lets you do intricate repairs on phones and laptops and other delicate devices. This is the EZARC electric screwdriver set that can switch to manual mode when needed. It gives you a huge 190 RPMs and has a battery capacity of 500 milliamp hours that gives you about 200 minutes of work time in a single charge. You can also use the screwdriver while it's plugged in, and it works with over 260 screw sizes. Sharge ICEMAG 2. Power banks. Get your MagSafe power banks in the form of 15-watt Qi 2 magnetic portable chargers that also double as phone stands. Sharge ICEMAG 2 is a great everyday power bank that gives you a whopping 10,000 milliamp hour battery capacity in a transparent kickstand that also has an active cooling feature. The cooling fan ensures you get a great heat dissipation while charging, and the two-way wired fast charging gives you 30 watts output, letting you charge your MacBook Air. Sharge ICEMAG 2 gives you 2.24 pounds of magnetic suction, so your phone won't fall off, even doing exercise. You can charge your phone both portrait and landscape style, giving you the ability to keep using your phone hands-free.